In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Canva. If you're organizing ideas, outlining a presentation, or simply making text easier to scan, bullet points can make a huge difference in clarity and readability. Let's walk through exactly how to do it, step by step, and I'll share tips to make your list look clean and professional. Start by opening your project in Canva. This could be a presentation slide, a social post, a flyer, or any design that already contains text. Once your design is open on the canvas, click the text you want to edit. You can place your cursor inside the text box or highlight the specific lines you plan to turn into a list. The important part is that the text is active, so Canva knows what you want to format. With your text selected, look toward the top of the editor. You'll see the formatting toolbar that includes options like font, size, color, and alignment. In that same area, find the bullet list icon. It usually looks like a small stack of dots with lines next to them. This icon is a toggle. Clicking it applies bullet formatting to your selected text, and your text instantly becomes a clean, organized list. From here, writing your list is simple. Type your first point, and when you press Enter, Canva automatically creates the next bullet, so you can continue your list without any extra clicks. Keep typing and pressing Enter to build out your points. Each new line becomes a new bullet, which keeps everything aligned and consistent. A few quick tips to keep your bullet points effective. Aim for short, clear lines instead of long sentences. Start each point with a strong word to make your message punchy. Keep your capitalization and punctuation style consistent across the whole list, so it looks polished. If you notice the bullet icon isn't visible at first, make sure your text is selected so the toolbar shows the right options. Using bullet points this way helps your audience grasp key ideas quickly, especially on slides or social graphics where space is limited. It also makes your content easier to skim, which keeps viewers engaged. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the text you want to format, click the bullet list icon in the top toolbar, and press Enter to add each new bullet. With just these simple actions, your text transforms into a clean, organized list that elevates your design.